STIHL MS 500i is a powerful chainsaw designed for professional use. It features a 79.2 cubic centimeters engine that delivers an impressive power output of around 6.7 horsepower, 5.0 kilowatts. One of its standout features is the fuel injection system, which provides excellent fuel efficiency and quicker acceleration compared to traditional carbureted chainsaws. The MS500i is suitable for demanding tasks such as felling large trees and processing firewood. Additionally, its lightweight design enhances maneuverability, making it easier to handle during extended use.